we in the Buhay Party List strongly denounce this particular proposed law. It is a product of, obviously, disoriented minds. Why? Bakit niyo sisisihin yung mga bata, 9 years old children, sa paglaladaw ng peace and order situation? At saka conflicting sila eh. Sabi ni Congressman Liachon, he is proposing this law because children in conflict with the law actually are increasing in number. Ang sabi ng police, I heard this in the same station. Ang sabi ng police, hindi po totoo yan. Bumababa po ang incidents ng mga bata na na-involve sa krimen. So kita nyo, there is a discrepancy even in the fundamental issues that they are using.